Welcome back for another unboxing. I have the Hyojo figures. They're so cute. I have the chocolate, the ice cream, and the icy. Let's just start with the chocolate. Oh cool, look, the box has its own little face taped in, so you can take the little face out. All right, let's see which one I got. Oh! And it is the white chocolate. So cute. It's got its little tongue out, its little feet. So squishy. It's kind of like a little vinyl. It's so cute. And then next up is the Breyers ice cream. You can get the strawberry, chocolate, or look, mint sprinkles, I believe. This one is this is also vanilla. That is so funny. Both white vanilla or white chocolate, so they're both white. But this one has like the little chocolate sprinkles, or maybe they're nuts. But this also has the little feet, and it's like really soft, like kind of like furish. All right, let's see what the last one is. What flavor of icy we got. I'm kind of hoping for the, I guess the blue, which would be blue raspberry, or the cherry. But if I get the regular icy, that's fine too. All right. Fingers crossed for blue or red. Yay! It's the blue raspberry. Oh, it's so cute. It's so soft. It's so soft. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting it to be hard, but the top, like here, is hard like plastic, like a cup. The real lids and the straw is hard like a real straw. And these are so cute. They actually have a lot more series, like the cookies and stuff like that. So this shows right here the cookies. There's some popsicles, the blow pop, and also a Jolly Rancher. So I'll definitely come back with some of those. Thanks for watching.